Alright guys, if you're not familiar with the quick shift, the sensor in the shift drum, when you have quick shift on, it senses the lever move and it hesitates the ignition enough to where you don't have to let off the gas, you don't have to pull in the clutch, you don't have to anything. It'll just shift. Very common on the adventure bikes, very common on the street bikes. Never been on a dirt bike. Let's test it. First ever start on this bike. Second, it only works from second up, guys. I'm actually going to leave my foot on the shifter for this. Whoa, that's interesting, guys. Let's do that again. Let's do it on the dirt where we can see what's going on. So guys, I'm not going to let off the gas at all. You guys, any hesitation you hear is going to be from the bike, the quick shifter. I'm in second gear. Did you guys see that? There's actually, whoa, had a stall there. It's actually a little more pronounced than what I thought. And what's weird is if you leave the quick shifter on, you know, it's going to do it all the time. So let's not do a start. Let's just roll into the straightaway and shift to second to third. And first down, second. Dang guys, that's pretty cool. I see it being way more beneficial there than I do in the starts. Getting like some flame out action going on here. Alright, I'm gonna go up here, I'm gonna go around this turn. I got quick shifter on, and I'm not gonna touch the clutch, and I'm gonna shift under the heaviest load I can. First, second, Alright guys, you heard it. I never let off the gas and I never touched the clutch. I could not do that on any other dirt bike I've ever owned without. The KTM would have probably shifted, but it wouldn't have felt good. It would have been clunky. My Cowleys wouldn't have even shifted. Let's do this again. Second gear. I'm just gonna hold it in second. Second gear. Third, fourth. God, so sick. I love that. Yeah, I was all thinking it would be sweet for the starts, and it might be, but it's hard to tell. But for the corners, it's so sick. Alright, I'm going to do a foot down start now. And I'm just going to shift as my foot comes up like I would if I was starting. Could you guys even tell I shifted? Second. Oh, maybe I didn't shift. Let's try it again. Then first. That's second. Alright, see what we got. And like, you don't even need to shift that much on these bikes, guys, because they pull so far and they seem to rev out. When I come around this turn, I'm going to come out in second and just hold it. Did you hear it?
It sounded like.
But you could tell I wasn't touching the clutch.
Yeah.
I didn't let off the gas.
Right.
And it shifted. By the time I got to the turn, I was in fourth.
That's
You can't even tell.
Yeah, it sounded like. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it just.
I thought it would be really sick on the starts, but it's way sicker just coming out of a corner. You just don't even. Yeah, you don't even think about it.
Because I never use my clutch to shift. I'll just let off the gas.
Right.
But it's sweet.
Now you don't have to do that. Yeah.
But I'll also doing that, I'll try to shift something, miss a shift, have to shift again.
On my KTM, it would normally shift, but it would sound kind of clunky.
Yeah.
On my Cowies, it wouldn't even it won't even shift.
Yeah.
Like Cowie transmissions are garbage.
Yeah, this will shift pretty good, but it just sometimes if you don't let off enough, it doesn't.
Stop giving me reasons to have to go buy a new bike.
So